This tensioner release, and after that you can change the belt. You need a correct size of belt lined up here slightly like this, and I'm going to turn very bad damagely. Now time to change it. I'm going to check with the old belt and new belt. Then after that I'm going to start the car and make sure belt running properly without any problem. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Peugeot 308 2016 model. I'm going to show you how to change driver belt. You need to open the bonnet using this stopper. You need to make this tensioner release, and after that you can change the belt. You need a correct size of belt, and if you have a like that pin, it's very handy. If it not, you can use drill bit, and you need a 13mm multi-spine socket like this. I'm going to use it 3/8 socket, and you need a ratchet. I'm going to line up here slightly like this, and I'm going to turn this tensioner anti-clockwise. You can see I already locked the tensioner here. Then now you can remove the belt. If you're not sure belt diagram before you remove it, make a diagram draw, then you are fine. You can see it's very bad damagely. Now time to change it. I'm going to check with the old belt and new belt. Size same, and there is no any side, but I'm happy to install. If someone can read this side, I'm happy to install like this way. First it's going around the main pulley and AC compressor, alternator pulley. Make sure all lined up nicely. Then after that you can release the tensioner. Now I'm going to remove that clip. Then after that release the tensioner. Then after that I'm going to start the car and make sure belt running properly without any problem. Now you know how to change driver belt of this car. Please subscribe and follow our channel so you can get lot of useful video and tips like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.